Whatever. Anyway, Mama Kitty had some kittens last night and whatnot. Now it's time to give the kittens a bath. There's a total of 3. There, now see what I'm doing. Fussy little ones. See? Black and white one. That one's named Oreo. Time to give it a bath. Nice and gentle, sweet and loving. There. Of course, it's gonna be bitching in a minute. Oops. Gonna be flushing in a minute. Yes, it's Peppa. That's my little. That's my one, baby. Oh, let's get the tail. Yeah, don't forget the tail. Yeah. You just want to crawl all over me, huh? You love crawling on me. Oh, you're going to present that face for Peppa? Yeah. That's my little baby. There you go. There. There. And just like that, Oreo is clean. One down. One. What? Alright, time for kitten number 2. Don't need this. Wee. Over that wee. Okay, on to kitten number 2. That was Oreo. This is Milo. This is Milo. This is little Milo. See, this is little Milo. And a cutie. Just a little cutie, just nice and gentle. Clean you up nice and gentle. One sec, Oreo. On the poof move. Put the cover on there so they can't run. There we go, now I stay on the heat pad. You're a little poof ball, ain't you, Milo? Yeah. That's a good little Milo. Oh, you like it, huh? Nice and good. Let me get the chest. What, did I miss a spot? Yeah. I didn't miss it no more now, did I? No, okay. There. And that's Milo. All cleaned up. Let's get him back on the heating pad. Now let's grab Simba. And there's kitten 3. It's Simba. Calms them down when they can smell me. Oops, don't need that. That's an old one. Over that wee. Bath time, Simba. This is why he's called Simba. He's the loudest. He's just like Simba in a certain movie we all know. Milo's the same way. Milo's named after a cat in a certain movie we all know. One moved a little kitten each. Yeah.